Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your price picks withdrawal or not working, or how can you solve this problem. So I will directly go to this is basically the help center of Prizepicks, and they have added some of the reasons like why are you not able to withdraw your funds. So the first one is, as you can see, Prizepicks has 1x playthrough requirement. Now 1x playthrough requirement is basically if you have deposited $25 in your account, so you must play with all of that amount before you can withdraw it. As you can see, for example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. So you just need to play, or like you can make submit and play through those $25 before you can do any kind of withdraw. This is the first option. Make sure that you fill this requirement. Now the second one is inaccurate bank account. Like you're trying to add some bank accounts which has wrong information, or in the second case they are not supported by the price picks, and you are trying to withdraw to those banks. As you can see, like your funds will be returned to your credit fund balance, and you will be able to create a new withdrawal in any kind of failure. So third option is withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method. Like some of the payment methods are approved by price picks, like those are the only payment methods in which you can do withdrawal. As you can see, like Apple Pay, credit cards and Discover debit cards may only be used for deposits, not withdrawal. So if you are trying to add these payment methods to take your withdrawal, so you will not be able to do it. Either it is Apple Pay, credit card or Discover debit cards, so you won't be able to get it. Now the fourth one is withdrawals have a minimum amount of $10. Like make sure that you have $10 before you are doing any kind of withdraw, and only one successful withdrawal is permitted during 24 hours time frame. So make sure that you are filling you are like fulfilling all these requirements, and if you have any kind of error, fix this error, and after that you will be able to withdraw your amount in price picks.